yourself and to the team around. I think you made it extremely interactive, very enjoyable, and a lot of learning. And the one major learning I learned today that was really phenomenal for me is my daughter goes to an inclusive school and they play music every day for them. And her complaint is she cannot stand the music. So I think the other kind of normal child can stand it, but she doesn't. And the teacher does not understand why she cannot take it. And they try to force her to enjoy it. And she's resisted it, saying, I don't like it. I don't like it. So I think it's also an opportunity for me to share with others as this is the beginning of my journey, but I think there's already lessons learned that I can maybe Google a bit more and understand and share with the others that it helps them help the kids in the class. So thank you very much for an interactive, extremely enjoyable, knowledgeable session. Thank you. I thought 3 hours was really long. I didn't feel it.
Thank you.